Welcome to the KidsZone Review for 2025. Are you an educator or a content creator looking to produce engaging educational materials for children quickly? KidsZone, designed by Sam Arief, is the ultimate private label rights package that allows you to provide high-quality kids' activity books and resources without the hassle of extensive design work. This all-in-one toolkit comes with customizable Canva templates for coloring pages, activity sheets, and book covers, aiming to empower you to create and profit in the evergreen market of children's education. With its easy-edit design compatible with Canva, you'll be able to launch your products almost instantly. KidsZone offers a variety of features, including a PLR license that lets you sell products under your brand, pre-built marketing tools for effortless promotions, and a collection of engaging, ready-to-print designs. This package is beginner-friendly, making it perfect even for those with no design experience. Whether you're an affiliate marketer, educator, or PLR entrepreneur, KidsZone is your key to unlocking potential profits in a high-demand niche. Don't miss out on the opportunity to streamline your educational content creation process and maximize your earnings. Join the thriving community of kids educational content creators with KidsZone today.